Hi, my name is Miss Nancy. I am an elementary school teacher and a mother of 3 down here in Tampa, Florida. And today I'm going to show you how to make a pirate hat out of newspaper. So the first thing you're going to need, obviously, is a newspaper. That's going to be important later. But right now we just want to put the opening toward you and the folded side away. And simply bend in to make a triangle fold, and do the same with the other side. Bending in to make a triangle fold. See if you can keep them kind of even. And now we're going to take the bottom and put it up, and once again fold it. Now turn over your whole pirate hat, and once again, bend it up, and fold it. There you go. Now it doesn't have to be newspaper, of course. You can do this. Whoops, let's tuck that back in. You can do this with construction paper. You can color it afterward or decorate it, maybe make a skull and crossbones on it. At this point, we have ourselves a pirate hat. Can I hear an R? Arr! Arr! And that is how you make a pirate hat out of newspaper.